Hi guys, welcome back to my videos. So in this one, I'm going to show you how to save £20,000 on property education. Let's get into it. So what I intend to do with this video is to show you how to save money on property education. A lot of people want to go straight into getting seminars, they want to go straight into education and pay over £20,000 for this. However, I don't believe that's necessary at the beginning. Maybe later on you can find your niche area of investing and you may want to spend some extra money on that. But in the early stages, it's about getting the knowledge, the confidence in property investing and moving forward at a rapid pace. So what I'm going to show you is a few pointers to save you a lot of time and money. Okay, so the first one is business books. So what I would suggest is that you read 10 business or self-development books. This will give you the confidence in business and it will also help you get more creative with your property investing strategy. So I'm just going to give you one of the books that I would recommend, and that is The Entrepreneur Revolution. And that's the book there. The next bit of advice I would give you is 10 property investing books. Read these. This will give you the basic knowledge that you need to begin in property investing. So this one is one that I would definitely recommend that you buy, and that's The Complete Guide to Property Investment: How to Survive and Thrive in the New World of Buy-to-Let. The next thing I would suggest that you do is read at least 2 property development books, stuff that will help you with either construction or even identifying issues. For example, this one is called The Damp House, and when you're going around properties, especially in the early days, you're going to find issues that if you're not a professional in that area, you're not going to know much about it. And this was something that I found. So every time I came across damp issues, instead of not knowing the solution, I bought this book, read it, now I know what the solutions are. The next thing I would suggest is that you subscribe to property investing magazines to save you some time. The one that I found most useful was called Your Property Network. Now you can find them online and you can subscribe, and the first issue that they'll send you is free. Inside you'll find case studies, examples of what other people did, and it will help you get more creative. You'll be able to see a wide range of the strategies that are available in property investing, and it will save you time and give you a lot of inspiration. Watch out for all the adverts in there. There is a lot of sales pitches that you'll find throughout, so keep your money in your pocket. Just use this for inspiration. The next thing that I would suggest is getting out there and meeting with like-minded individuals, and to do that I found it very useful to go to property networking events. Now property networking event is probably going to be about £15 to get in, but once you're in you'll be able to listen to 2 speakers and give you some information, and you'll also be able to network with people who are doing the same thing as you are about to do, which is always helpful. And to find them, if you go into the Your Property Network magazine, you can find them in some of the back pages. You can find the area that you live and find your local property networking event that way. I would suggest that you go to a minimum of 3 of these per month. Okay, the first one that you go to is going to be very nerve-wracking, but you've just got to get through it. It's going to be a bit awkward at the beginning. You may not have a business card. It doesn't matter. Just go there, meet people, listen and learn. The next thing that I would suggest is that after you've been to these networking events, you go and follow up with the people that you've met. So from the 3 networking events that you go to in that month, I want you to pick 3 people and invite them out for a coffee. Simple as that. If you're doing this every single month consistently, you will compound a lot of knowledge. The final task that I will set is this: every week you should be attending a minimum of 10 property viewings. In the early stages of your investment journey, you just want to be booking them. Book everything. Make sure you go in. You may not be putting in offers at this stage. However, you're getting to know the system, the estate agents, you're understanding different houses, the layouts, your area. And what will happen is you'll become familiar with this process. So the more viewings you do, the more comfortable you will feel. So when it does come to the point that you are comfortable enough to start putting in offers, the hard work's already done. Okay. So before you spend a single penny on mentorships, property education or seminars, please do the following. Read 10 business books. Read 10 books on property investing. Read 2 books on construction and property development. Subscribe to a property investing magazine. Go to 3 property networking events every month. Have coffee with 3 property investors every month. And finally, go on 10 viewings every single week. Okay guys, so if you like these 7 tips, please like the video. Please subscribe to the page. I'll see you later.